Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your blurry photos in your Facebook story. So to do that, first go to your Facebook account, and once you're here, all you have to do is go to the top right button. So once you're here, all you have to do is go to settings and privacy. Now click on settings and follow the steps given in the video. Or you can also update your Facebook application to fix that. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.